This job is unique. You don't have a boss. No one's looking over your shoulder. You can wake up tomorrow and do nothing. And that's fine. But you won't make any money. So success doesn't come from pressure. It comes from you, your habits, your consistency, your action. This is day 32 of my real estate journey. I'm not a top agent yet, but I'm building the habits that will get me there. Let me show you how. 8 a.m. morning routine. I start with a quiet moment. No rush. I open my 30-day action plan, a printable checklist from the Global Agent Launch Kit. Today's tasks: 10 WhatsApp messages. Follow up with 3 leads. Research 1 expired listing. Simple, clear, no overwhelm. 8:30 a.m. Check messages. First thing, I reply to 3 WhatsApp messages from leads. One says, "Can you send me villas under AED 3 millions?" I reply with 3 options: fast, professional, helpful. No pressure, just service. The key? I use a script from my training. Hi name, I'm a licensed agent helping buyers in Dubai Marina. I have a few units matching your budget. Want me to send details? It's not magic. It's just clarity. 9:30 a.m. Research listings. I open Google Maps and search for expired listings in Dubai Hills. This one's been up for 8 weeks. I'll call the owner later. They might be ready to sell. This is how you find motivated sellers, without paying for leads. I save the address and add it to my lead tracker, Google Sheets. 10:15 a.m. Cold call and follow-up. I make 2 calls today. One to a landlord in JLT. One to a buyer who viewed a property 5 days ago. I say, "Hi name, I'm your name, a licensed agent. I noticed you were interested. Open to a quick chat." Most don't reply, but 1 in 10 does. And that's enough. Remember, you don't need every lead, just the right one. 1 p.m. Property showing. I meet a client at a luxury apartment in Dubai Marina. The key? I don't just show the space. I ask, "What's most important to you?" That's how you build trust and close deals. After the showing, I send a follow-up message. "Thanks for your time. Here are the photos. Let me know if you'd like to discuss an offer." Simple, professional, no posts. 4:30 p.m. Update lead tracker. I log every lead in my Google Sheets tracker. Name, phone, interest, next follow-up. No chaos. Just one system. This is how I stay organized, even with 30+ leads. And yes, I use the lead tracker from the Global Agent Launch Kit. No spreadsheets from scratch. Just plug in and go. 7 p.m. Study and plan. I open the Global Agent Launch Kit. Today I study RERA exam prep, scripts for WhatsApp, my 30-day action plan. I'm not here for shortcuts. I'm here to build a real career. This isn't about being the best. It's about being the one who starts. 9 p.m. Reflect. Today, 3 showings booked, 1 hot lead, 10 outreach messages sent. No commission yet, but I'm building the habits of a top agent. And that's what matters. This job is unique because you are the one who starts. You don't need experience. You don't need connections. You just need the right training. That's why I created the Global Agent Launch Kit, a step-by-step system to go from zero to first commission, whether you're in Dubai, the USA, or India. Inside, 104-page ebook, 30-day action plan, scripts vault, lead tracker and commission calculator, global licensing roadmap. If you're ready, the link is in the description. If this video helped you see what's possible, like it so others can find it too. And subscribe to Green Door Homes for real estate tips, home tours, and training that helps you go from dreaming to doing. Tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Up next, from dreaming to doing. How to start in real estate. A step-by-step guide to your first commission. No experience needed. This isn't about being the best. It's about being the one who starts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.